Hi guys, welcome to Time to Tech Review channel. Today I am going to review about the latest selfie stick. This product cost me around $22. It's roughly 1600 rupees in Indian currency. The package contains of selfie stick for GoPro mount and some manual and the advantage in this selfie camera is inbuilt flash. The Bluetooth remote per charge takes 50,000 selfies. The maximum height of the selfie stick is 820 mm and maximum weight it can hold is 500 grams. You can use as tripod and you can also lock it. And this is the overall length of the selfie stick. You can also mount your mobile in landscape. And portrait mode. The flash consists of 3 modes, 1, 2 and 3. And flash can be used as SOS mode also. Okay guys, this is about the overall selfie stick. 3-in-1 mode, flash, selfie stick and tripod, and links in the description. Please do subscribe my channel.